Welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. Today's video we are going to explore one of the most beginner friendly and time saving feature in Playwright, the Codegen tool. With Codegen, we don't have to write the test scripts from scratch. Instead, the Playwright will automatically generate the test scripts when we interact with the browser. So let's get started. Just open the terminal and here you can type npx playwright codegen. That's it, and hit enter. As you can see, the browser has opened and I'll show the screen. This is the Playwright screen, which is in the recording. So as I type here the URL, let's say it's google.com. As you can see, the first statement has already been generated. Let's get to the second step. I wanted to give an input here, so I'm clicking over here and so I'm going to give here, let's say, birds, and then hit enter. Okay, so the code has been generated like this automatically. If we want, we can remove the unwanted statements. So this is just an example. Now I'll show you that Playwright provides built-in help command that shows all the possible ways by which we can use Codegen. So just go to the terminal and here you can just give us npx playwright codegen --help. As you can see here, these are the commands which we can use. So there are some examples. For example, if we give codegen space ---- target is equal to Python, the test scripts will be executed in the Python language. If we did not give any language, it will just take the default language, which is Playwright. And we have another example where we can give the browser, it could be WebKit, and they have given the URL. So if we do not mention any browser, the default browser will be Chromium. So I will show you this command, how it works. This is an output, and if we wanted to store store the output in a particular file, earlier I gave this google.spec.js file, but using this command, we can the Playwright will automatically create a file and store our test scripts there. So let me show you how to do that. First, I'll give here clear so that we will clear all the commands. Okay. So I'm going to give here npx playwright codegen, and then I'm going to use the practice website, which is the orange HRM one. I'm going to copy this URL, paste it over here, and space, and I'm going to give this command o space, give a dot // and I want the file to be stored inside tests. So tests // let's give the name of the file as example, example codegen dot spec dot js. So I'm going to hit enter, observe what happens. As you can see here, the URL is opened and we have this Playwright screen where the scripts are automatically generated. So I'm going to click over here and I'm going to give the username as admin. And then I'm going to give the password as admin123. Just open the Playwright screen. See, look, it has already given the steps. We can remove the unwanted steps if this is not necessary. That's our choice. So I'm going to click on login now. Okay, the login button has clicked. Let's get back to our test case and see the example code gen.spec.js file has been generated automatically. So the test scripts are stored here. I will remove the unwanted steps. It has picked the get by role. So I'll just remove this and this one. All right. Now let's get back to the terminal. Control C. And I'm just going to I'm sorry guys, this is generating automatically just because I have given that command here. Now just going to give here enpx playwright test. I wanted to execute this spec file, so example code gen dot spec dot js and space hyphen hyphen header, so we'll be able to see what's happening. So I'm going to hit on enter. The test case has passed. If you have watched my previous video, I have set the screen size to be minimum, and that's the reason why the screen size was minimized, because here in the config file I have set the default screen size. So friends, this is all about the CodeGen feature. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. In my next video we will meet up with a new topic. Thank you. Bye bye.